Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for On Gardening. One tool that you'll see professionals use all the time that most homeowners don't is a hand wand. Now, why is this important? Well, it puts the water out like a little raindrop, like a little shower, if you will, almost like a nice old-fashioned shower head. You say, well, why is that important? Well, when you take your gun that you have on the end of your hose and you blast your little small plant, you usually blast it right out of the container. This is what you want to use, something like this that you can reach out, water over your plants, hold it over your plants, and have good results. You don't want to use too much force. You simply hold this, attach it to your hose, and you can simply water gently over your plants and have the kind of results that you're looking for. Remember, it has like a shower-like head. It's got a long handle so you can reach out over your plants and put the gentle bit of water around your plants and not blow them out like smithereens. You don't want to have a problem. A lot of people use too much force and they wash out their seedlings. They wash out their little seedlings. Remember, hand wand, it's important. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.